Right here today, I just concluded my 5-minute lead workshop for this month of October. Now, I of course get paid to do this workshop offline for various communities and entrepreneurs group, both offline and online. But I choose to do this workshop, the 5-minute lead workshop, free at least once a month. And this month I actually was traveling most of the time, so 31st of October was the last day of October, and I just wanted to do this workshop. So today's set of students were amazing. We had people who are in business for 35 years, 20 years, 2 years, somebody who has just got started. Amazing mix. But what kept us together is the intention to learn and grow together. Most importantly, by the end of this workshop, we did a little process in which we connected with each other heart to heart. Yes, in lead generation workshop, people do that. Crazy people do that. So if you have missed this lead generation workshop, please make sure that you keep checking the link, you keep checking my profile, or check out rupapatil.com for the next upcoming workshop. And of course, these are generally the paid workshop, but once a month and once only, I do these workshop for free. I do this same workshop for free, but just once a month. There are no replays. Either you attend it live or you miss it. There are no replays. So if you want to generate high quality leads for your business without advertisement, even if you have no social media following, even if you have just got started, you can generate high quality leads for your business by spending only 5 minutes. Something that you can do, or you can train your team to do it. I have used these processes and these strategies not just for independent business owners, but I have done this with businesses which are just started, businesses which are funded and 10 years old, 25 years old, and even a 45-year-old business. So I am Rupa Patil. I'm a certified mastermind professional, an international business mentor, trainer, author, and speaker. And this is my signature workshop, 5-minute leads, because I am passionate about helping and serving at least 10,000 heart-centered entrepreneurs and leaders to grow their income and impact. And one of the ways I do that is by helping them set up systems for lead management. There are 5 areas of lead management, starting from lead identification or lead discovery, lead attraction, lead capture, lead nurture, and most importantly, lead conversion. And this is how you improve your income and impact. And this is a 5-step lead management system that I set up for heart-centered business owners and heart-centered businesses. To know more, reach out to me. And if you would like to experience the 5-minute lead free workshop, well, you have to wait for a month from wherever you are. Probably you just have to go and check. But I do that workshop only once a month for free. That's it for now. And this is my little working space from home. And this is Rupa Patil. Thank you very much. See you.